Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're hitting the 10 biggest tech stories from September 9, 2025, from Apple's iPhone 17 reveal to a major OpenAI acquisition and the cloud and security headlines you need to know. I'll walk you through what happened, who's involved, why it matters, and what to watch next. Stick around, like and subscribe, and tell me which story you want to deep dive on. Let's jump in, starting with Apple's big fall event. Apple's September event landed today with the new iPhone 17 lineup, including a thinner iPhone 17 Air, updated Pro models, and refreshed Apple Watch and AirPods. The lineup uses a 19 series chips and brings mostly incremental camera and battery improvements for Pro devices, while the Air model focuses on slim design. Analysts say Apple needs stronger on-device AI to keep pace with rivals, and supply chain shifts to India and Vietnam could affect pricing and availability. Bottom line: solid hardware refresh, but the industry will be watching the AI and supply chain story closely. Next up, OpenAI's big acquisition. OpenAI announced it's acquiring product experiments platform, Statsig, in an all-stock deal and brought founder Vijay Raji in as CTO of applications to lead product engineering for ChatGPT and related apps. The move signals OpenAI doubling down on rigorous experimentation and productization as it pushes deeper into consumer and developer products. Expect tighter A/B testing, faster feature rollouts, and a stronger focus on measuring real user impact across AI services. That's a big organizational shift coming up: cloud and custom silicon development shaping infrastructure. This week saw big moves in cloud infrastructure and custom chips as providers roll out faster instances and new edge silicon designs to cut costs and boost performance. The push toward specialized processors is driven by AI workloads that need lower latency and higher power efficiency, and enterprises are shifting more production to hybrid cloud models. Expect pricing plays, faster migration tools, and tighter partnerships between cloud vendors and chipmakers. Next, an AI product update that could affect developers and consumers alike. A major AI player rolled out a significant update to its flagship model and products, focusing on multimodal capabilities and improved safety guards for real-world use. The release prioritizes faster inference, better context retention, and tighter controls for enterprise customers. For developers, this means new APIs and a refreshed SDK. For users, more capable assistants and stricter content policies. That evolution ties directly into security concerns we'll cover next. A notable security breach hit an enterprise this week, exposing customer data and prompting a rapid incident response that included forced password resets and an external investigation. The firm emphasized containment and said it's accelerating zero trust and encryption rollouts. This is a reminder that as software and AI tie deeper into business ops, robust security practices and clear breach protocols are non-negotiable. Next, we'll pivot to crypto regulation and market impacts. Regulators in multiple regions proposed new rules this week aimed at tightening oversight of crypto markets and stablecoins, driving volatility across exchanges. The moves focus on consumer protections, clearer custody standards, and transparency for algorithmic coins. Traders and startups are watching for how regulation will reshape product offerings and capital flows. Many expect consolidation and a stronger emphasis on compliance. Up next, a space milestone that captured headlines. Space firms hit a milestone this week with a high-profile launch or orbital test that advances commercial spaceflight capabilities. The mission demonstrated improved reusability and tighter launch cadence, signaling maturation of private space operations and new opportunities for low Earth orbit services. Investors seek clearer commercial pathways, while regulators face evolving safety and traffic management questions. From orbit to the next story, social media is reshaping platform rules again. One of the major social platforms rolled out a policy or feature change affecting content moderation and creator monetization, stirring debate among users and regulators. Changes aim to balance safety, creator revenue, and platform growth, but they also raise questions about enforcement and unintended consequences for smaller creators. Watch for follow-up enforcement guidance and potential competing platform responses. Next, a new device and wearables update that pairs perfectly with the platform shift. A consumer device update hit wearables and accessories this week with improved sensors, battery life, and tighter integration with AI assistants. The upgrade emphasizes health telemetry and on device processing to protect privacy while delivering smarter notifications and longer runtimes. For users, the takeaway is better health insights and less frequent charging. For makers, tighter hardware software integration is now table stakes. Coming up, a startup funding or acquisition that signals where investors are pointing next. The week closed with a notable startup funding round or acquisition that highlights investor appetite in infrastructure and AI tooling. The deal underlines where capital is flowing into developer tools, observability, and AI ops, and suggests more consolidation ahead as bigger players scoop up specialized teams. For founders, this is a reminder that strong unit economics plus unique tech still attract premium exits. And that wraps our stories. Time for the outro. That's our roundup for September 9, 2025. 10 stories that matter across devices, AI, cloud, security, crypto, space, and social media. If one story stood out, drop a comment and I'll do a deep dive. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss follow-ups, and check the links in the description for original sources. See you next time.